Google's Pixel A series has always been about offering the Pixel experience at a lower price, and the Pixel 10a looks set to continue that trend. While it's still surrounded by leaks and rumors, we already have a decent idea of what Google might be planning for its next affordable phone, and how it could differ from the main Pixel 10 lineup. The Pixel 10a is expected to launch sometime next year, and if the leaks are accurate, it may arrive sooner than many people expected. In the past, Google usually revealed A series phones during its Google I/O event in May. However, that pattern changed with the Pixel 9a, and it looks like Google could do the same again. According to a well-known leaker, pre-orders for the Pixel 10a could begin on February 18, with the phone officially releasing on March 5, 2026. This timeline has also been supported by another reliable source, which makes an early March launch seem very likely. If true, fans of the A series won't have to wait long to see the device in action. Pricing will be one of the most important factors for the Pixel 10a. The Pixel 9 launched at $499, matching the Pixel A before it. While there's no solid confirmation yet, one leak from Europe suggests Google may keep prices the same. In that case, the 28GB model could cost $549, while the 256GB version may be priced at $649. Many people are hoping the US price stays at $499, especially with ongoing concerns about rising component costs. When it comes to design, early CAD renders suggest the Pixel 10a will look very similar to the Pixel 9a. The phone is expected to keep the flat design and the familiar camera bar on the back, along with a dual camera setup. Unlike the main Pixel 10 models, the Pixel 10a likely won't include a telephoto camera. One small but noticeable change is thinner bezels, which could make the display feel more modern. A certification listing shared online gives us a clearer look at the rumored specs. According to that leak, the Pixel 10 will feature a 6.285-inch IMOLED display with a 20Hz refresh rate. On the camera side, it's said to include a 40MP main camera with an f1.7 aperture, paired with a 30MP ultrawide camera. These specs are identical to the Pixel 9a, which suggests Google is sticking closely to the previous formula. The phone is also rumored to come with 8GB of RAM, 28GB of storage, and a F100mAh battery. Once again, these are the same numbers seen on the Pixel 9a. While these specs are solid for a mid-range phone, they don't exactly feel exciting, especially for people hoping for a noticeable upgrade. Performance-wise, the Pixel 10a may be one of the bigger disappointments. Current rumors suggest it will use the Tensor G4 chip rather than the newer Tensor G5. On top of that, storage is expected to remain UFS 3.1, which is slower than the UFS 4.0 storage found in higher-end Pixel 10 models. This means users shouldn't expect major gains in speed or performance. Some features may also be missing. The Pixel 10a is not expected to include a telephoto camera, which isn't surprising for a mid-range phone. More disappointing, however, is the rumored absence of Magic Q, an AI feature designed to proactively assist users based on context from apps and services. So far, the Pixel 10a sounds very similar to the Pixel 9a, which raises questions about its overall value. If the hardware remains mostly unchanged, the price will matter more than ever. Keeping the cost low could make the phone appealing, but any price increase might be hard to justify. What many people want to see is better battery life and stronger AI features. The Pixel 9 already offered around 13 hours of battery life, and even a small improvement would help the Pixel 10a stand out. More importantly, Google could lean into AI, which has always been a Pixel strength. If the Pixel 10a can deliver smart, useful AI features at a lower price, it could still become one of the best affordable phones on the market. For now, the Pixel 10a feels safe rather than exciting. Whether that's enough will depend on pricing, and how well Google uses software to make the phone feel fresh.